coordinator, teacher, parents, and my dear friends. I am Anika from UKCSL. I am Ashley Theatre to welcome you all to the 2025-2026 kindergarten graduation ceremony. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to share my experience and memories in this busiest moment. The past 2 years and great period for me in this school. Teacher provide the best education for us. Thus lay a strong foundation for our upcoming studies. I thank Prasamsi, teacher and the parents who support